In primetime news this evening, timeline uncertain. Jamaica worries India's ban on vaccine exports could affect when it gets more. We're ready. Plans outlined for smooth operation with mass vaccination program set for Saturday. And more records. COVID hospitalizations jump to new high amid bed shortage.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the proposed fines and penalties under the Disaster Risk Management Act? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.